In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide sold-out products on Shopify. We'll start inside your Shopify admin. Open your store's dashboard in a browser you use regularly, so your session stays active while we work. From the main navigation, go to Products. This is the central hub for everything you sell. Now, click Inventory. The inventory view gives you a clean, spreadsheet-like list of every product variant, along with quantities and status across locations. This is exactly where you want to be when managing which items should be visible on your storefront. Take a moment to get familiar with the key columns. Available shows what customers can actually buy right now. Committed covers items tied up in open orders, On Hand shows physical stock, and Incoming tracks purchase orders that aren't here yet. For the purpose of hiding sold-out products, the Available column is the most important. When it's 0, that's your signal to keep an item off the storefront. At the top of the page, click into the search and filter area I'm highlighting on screen and type to surface the fields you need. I'm highlighting this again so you can see exactly where to type and filter. If your business uses multiple locations, make sure the correct location is selected so the availability you're viewing matches the storefront your customers see. I'm highlighting that one more time to confirm you're looking at the right place. Once your inventory page shows the correct columns and the data looks right, the page is ready. This makes it easy to isolate sold-out items and act on them consistently. Now, open the menu I'm highlighting on the inventory toolbar. You'll see an option labeled Correction as the default reason. Click that to open the list, then choose Promotion. Selecting promotion as your reason helps you document that this visibility change is tied to a marketing or merchandising decision, rather than a shrink or error adjustment. Finally, click the highlighted action to apply your change. A quick note on why this flow matters. Most themes and collection rules can automatically keep products with 0 available stock out of sight, but that works only if your inventory is accurate and up to date. By confirming availability here, and recording your reason properly, you keep reporting clean and your storefront behavior predictable. Give the storefront a moment to refresh. Changes in inventory can take a short time to reflect. If you rely on automated collection conditions or theme settings to hide sold-out items, this process ensures those rules work perfectly without manual edits on every product page. And that's it. You've navigated to inventory, verified the right fields, highlighted where to focus,